Hey dude, you wanna play something?
Yeah, sure. What do you want to play?
I was thinking Call of Duty.
Okay, perfect. I already have it downloaded on my digital PlayStation 5.
Good, imagine having to worry about CDs in this day and age.
Alright, let's get down to business. Did you plug the PlayStation 2 controller in?
Yes.
And what about the CD? Is it in good condition?
A bit of scratches here and there, but I think we're gonna be fine.
Okay, did you clean it?
Did I clean it? It's a PlayStation 2 CD. Of course I did.
With soap or toothpaste?
Are you seriously asking me this?
soap or toothpaste?
Obviously toothpaste.
I told you to clean it with soap.
No, toothpaste makes the scratches go away.
You know what? It doesn't even matter. Just put it in.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh, come on!
I told you to clean it with soap.
Just give me a break.